need to know about MiG-21 Bison. MiG-21 is an attack and interceptor aircraft. Its origin is from Soviet Union. It is a supersonic aircraft. It is designed by Mikhail Gurevich Group. It was introduced in 1959. It took its first flight at 16 June 1955. It is used in Indian Air Force, Soviet Air Force, Romanian Air Force, Croatian Air Force. It was produced between 1959 to 1985. Its length is about 15 meters. It weighs about 5,846 kilos. Its range is 1,470 kilometers. Its top speed is 2,230 kilometers per hour. Its engine type is Tumansky R2. There are total 11,496 aircraft. Thank you.